right, I'm here at Greg's house here in Sparta, North Carolina. And this is his house. I'll show you more in a moment. Just a parking area. There's my rig and his big rig behind it. Beautiful brand new trailer, camper. And this is his new truck, which I didn't know about, and I'll tell you a story. Anyway, walking down here. This is his neighbor across the way. This is a cul-de-sac. And this is his lawn. Just your basic lawn. You know, I don't know how many acres. It's a pretty house. So, Greg was in the Navy, I was in the Air Force. My dad was very pleased when he went in the Navy. He was very upset when I didn't. Now this from a man, my father, whose whole Navy career was about 90 days. There's a story there. That's his garage. Got some bikes in here. That's his bike there in that corner. That's my bike that I'm going to ride. That belongs to my nephew, Little Triumph. This is the nephew's bike he's going to ride. And I'm not exactly sure whose bike this is, but they're just waiting for them to show up and be ridden. Let's see, looking at the cabin, isn't that pretty? Isn't that just a gorgeous setup? Right out here, all this, the fence line. It's just beautiful. Very quiet, very quiet. So I'll talk a little more later and then post this. Now all hooked up. Greg has hookups for 2 RVs simultaneously. And I'm all hooked up there, all the way down to his hookups down there. Greg and I both sold off our Class A's and downsized. Now he downsized to this monster camper. It's gorgeous. And I downsized to my little B model. So we both reached the point where, you know, bigger isn't necessarily better. They're kind of a pain in the butt. And who needs 40 feet for 2 people in his case and 1 person in mine? We're going to take this out later on today and go gallivanting around the country roads. So, beautiful porch. Sit outside with that view. Isn't that something? All right. Well, I'm feeling a little shop worn and day tired, so I'm going to go in there and take a shower, put on some spiffy clothes because his lady friend Susan, fiancée Susan, is going to have some guests tonight. And I want to at least look somewhat human. So, I'll do more later.
So she didn't really have a place to stay. She came home, but Galen's still in the hospital.
Did he have a better day, Dana? Or you know if he had a better day or not?
A little bit of greenery on a small North Carolina road. We're in Greg's 2x, side by side. I love these old buildings like this. I love the Disco Explorer. inside the house, sticking its head out the
That was
Was a
it.
window.
cow in
Yeah,
there?
it was sticking its head out the window.
Yeah,
Yep.
Wow.
I assume it got out.
Either
Either
that
that
or
or it's still in there.
yeah.
Wow. That's
Pretty
Look
wild.
at the size of that house.
And at one point it had electricity because there's an electrical box on one
Right.
side of it.
Yeah.
See right up on the side?
Yeah.
There's a little electric meter
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
Pretty wild.
Oh my goodness.
It's kind of spooky. It looks like a witch's house. That's pretty cool.
Well, that thing's been there a while.
Yep.
Is this the one where the grandmother lived in?
No, that was a different one.
Different one.
Yep.
All right, well, we're home from the, I think it's called a side-by-side mule. And we're back. Did some riding around some beautiful North Carolina hills, looking at a beautiful North Carolina sunset over the mountains. And it's not that late, but 7:30, and I'm exhausted. So there you go. I'm going to call it a day. If and when I post this, it'll probably be tomorrow. So I'm going to head for the RV.